This 5-course meal cooking class at Blue Elephant Thai Cooking School in Old Town, Phuket was the highlight of our trip. The chef was amazing and we had a great time immersing ourselves in Thai culture. In this video, we will showcase our day at Blue Elephant Cooking School, including our transportation methods, the market tour, and of course the cooking class. This activity was booked directly on the Blue Elephant website. We searched top cooking classes in Phuket on Google, and Blue Elephant was rated #1. They have a different menu daily, so we booked our Thursday session based on the meals we were most interested in learning to cook and of course eat. The price is roughly $75 per person, but it was worth every penny. Included in that price is everything you need for the class, a market tour with the free drinks, tastings, and the meal. It is a half-day tour, so it begins around 9 a.m. and concludes early afternoon around 1:30. We took a 45-minute Tuk Tuk ride from Patong Beach to Blue Elephant Thai Cooking School in Old Town, Phuket. We booked that Tuk Tuk on Grab, a local travel service app. Before the cooking class, the chef leading our small group took us through Ranong Market. As we sampled some food and picked up some ingredients along the way, the chef shared tidbits on the food culture in Thailand.
When they make the milk, they use the old coconut. This is the coconut meat, a lot of flavor inside. And the old coconut, the brown one, they use the machine like that to press the meat and put a little bit water to press it. And then first time we call coconut cream, and the second time when we press it, we call coconut milk. And we have also many types of eggplant. This is we call long eggplant. Long eggplant popular for curry and salad. We grill and the skin make like an aroma. Chili, anybody like spicy? You can taste for free. They will be made by hand. But if lazy, you can buy from me. Cooking pot, and can you see the fish? They have two colors, black and white, and also they have one side of the eye. It's the one they serve in the country.
How is it? Good, got like a honey situation. Delicious. Adroy. Yes.
After the tour, it was time to get down to business. First, the chef would demonstrate in the classroom.
This is very important because this one the flavor of your fish. This is the sauce to marinate the fish. And then you can check it. It's meant to salty and the herb is quite strong.
My great friend.
This is additional coriander root. Yeah, coriander root you crush and you slice.
We received a folder, apron, and pencil to take notes. There was a camera above our chef's cooking station that allowed us to see what they were doing on a larger screen. After the lesson, we would all go over to the cooking stations and cook. There were times where we forgot the recipe when it was time to cook at our station, but we had the recipe in our folders, which were easy to follow.
And going into round 2. Time to make the fish.
Half of the fresh one.
Half the fresh.
After we completed our courses, we were able to enjoy the meal we cooked.
That's all the food I made. Scallop. That's the curry. I did put a little extra coconut sauce in my curry. She was like, here, what's gonna do? Here's my pad thai. And there is my fish. How you feel about your meals? Feel like you did a good job?
If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and follow along with our travels on all social media platforms at Traveling Black Woman. We will see you in the next video.
A little bit of everything, yeah. Are you videoing it?
Chickens. This is what we're gonna have for